Are you tired of dealing with heavy gas lawnmowers that are noisy, hard to start, and require regular maintenance? Maybe you're also frustrated with extension cords getting in the way while mowing your lawn. If that sounds familiar, this cordless electric lawnmower might be exactly what you're looking for. Today, I'm reviewing this cordless mower that's compatible with DeWalt batteries. It's designed to make lawn care easier, faster, and less stressful. One of the biggest benefits is convenience. With a gas mower, you have to worry about fuel, oil changes, spark plugs, and engine maintenance. With this mower, you simply attach a compatible battery, press the start button, and begin mowing. The setup process is quick and simple. You can get it ready in just a few minutes, making it a great choice for homeowners who don't want to spend extra time preparing equipment before every use. Another feature I really like is the adjustable cutting height. The mower offers multiple height settings, allowing you to customize how short or tall you want your grass. Whether you prefer a neat, closely trimmed lawn or a slightly longer cut, you have options. Because it's cordless, you can move freely around your yard without dragging a power cord behind you. This makes mowing much easier and safer, especially if your yard has obstacles like trees, flower beds, or garden decorations. When it comes to performance, this mower handles regular lawn maintenance very well. It provides a clean, even cut and works best when you're mowing on a regular schedule. For small to medium-sized lawns, it has enough power to get the job done efficiently. The lightweight design is another advantage. Compared to many traditional gas mowers, this one is easier to push, turn, and store. If you don't want to struggle with a heavy machine every weekend, you'll appreciate this feature. One thing to remember is that battery life depends on the battery you're using and the condition of your lawn. Thick or very tall grass can drain the battery faster. If you have a larger yard, having an extra battery available could be helpful. I also noticed that it's much quieter than a gas-powered mower. You can mow early in the morning or later in the day without creating a lot of noise, which is great for both you and your neighbors. Overall, this cordless electric lawnmower solves several common lawn care problems. It eliminates the need for gas, reduces maintenance, removes the hassle of power cords, and makes mowing easier thanks to its lightweight design. If you're looking for a simple and convenient way to maintain a small or medium-sized lawn, this mower is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.